Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Cloudflare caching on WordPress for faster pages step by step clearly. To install Cloudflare caching on your WordPress site, start by creating a Cloudflare account. Visit the Cloudflare website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and a password, then click Create Account. Follow the prompts to add your website URL. Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records. Review the scanned records to ensure they match your current settings. Once confirmed, select your desired Cloudflare plan. Keep in mind that the free plan is suitable for most users. Next, Cloudflare will provide you with new name servers. Log in to your domain registrar's website. Find the Domain Management section. Replace your existing name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Save the changes and wait for DNS propagation, which may take a few hours. In your Cloudflare dashboard, navigate to the Caching tab. Enable Always Online to keep a version of your site cached, even during downtimes. Select Auto Cache Everything to increase caching of your site's static files. Adjust the Browser Cache TTL setting to improve loading times for returning visitors. Next, head to the Page Rules section. Create a new page rule by clicking Create Page Rule. Enter your domain name followed by / to apply rules to your Set the settings to cache everything, then select Save and Deploy. Now, go to your WordPress admin dashboard. Install and activate the Cloudflare plugin from the plugin repository. After activation, connect the plugin to your Cloudflare account using the API key. Configure the plugin settings to optimize performance based on your site's needs. Check the Automatic Cache Management option to streamline caching tasks. Once configured, return to your Cloudflare dashboard. Clear the Cloudflare cache to ensure your recent changes reflect immediately. Visit your website to verify that caching is working effectively. Finally, regularly monitor performance improvements using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or JIT-Metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.